Hi guys, today I will tell you how to get 90 fps on any smartphone, mostly on OnePlus phones. 9R, 9RT Note to every phone which support 90R 120 refresh rate display. So I'm using 9R, so you can check and it will work on every phone. We will create a file uh, for PUBG Mobile. So here's first thing. Let me show you how FPS I'm getting. There's 60 fps. Let's start the video and see how much fps I get. Here's 60. See here, there's 60 fps. So if I go to setting and in graphic there's no option for 90, so that's the issue. Let's solve. So first thing you have to download this app Zaltiver. Maybe you have. I will add the link in description. You can get it from there, available on Play Store. So you have to go Android data and PUBG. You have to find the PUBG here. PUBG files, UE4 games, shadow tracker, save game, and you have to copy and you have to go back to home storage and paste here. This file which save everything of about the setting. So you have to go this website. I will add the link in description, saveeditonline.com. so you have to upload the link here or file here, active.sav. Yeah, just you have to change 3 to 4 option, which is fps level and fps battle fps 6 to 7 only. You have to replace 6 with 7 and put fps 7. Yeah, you have to change the option fps level to 7, better fps to 7, lobby fps to 7, and then you have to save this file. Yeah, download file have been downloaded, and go to Zaltiver again, downloads, and they here's the file active.sav which we just change and download. You have to copy, you have to go Android data and you have to find PUBG Mobile here, file, no sorry, PUBG Mobile here, sorry, yeah, files. You know where you have to go, save game, and here you have to paste a file and replace. Now you just have to, here you can see actually 90 fps is not work on screen recording, so I will stop the screen recording on my recordings phone and I will record from Android phone. Let me stop the screen recording, then you will see here's 60 fps. And let me start the game. Here you can see 60 fps, no issue. So you see 60 fps. Let's stop the screen recording. See, fps has been increasing. That's why, because of screen recording. Here you can see fps has been increased. 85 is 90 is a fps ratio. Thank you. Can you subscribe my channel for more videos, and I will solve a lot of issues.